you're looking for conserving space, hanging things on the wall with an elegant look and different types of models and colors that the has to offer, this product may be something that you are looking for. And we're going to show you how easy it is to assemble and set up and what you get inside. From the providers, BKALEME is a 7-tier bookshelf, floor, wall, comes in a number of colors, and do check online for the details about the product. We're going to open up the product and show you what it's about. Carefully open up the box, cut all areas, and remove the styrofoam that protects the shelf unit parts. We have an assembly instruction guide, easy to follow. Hardware package, the shelving units, about 1 inch thick with numbers, framed around and laminated. We'll remove all the shelf units out of the box and show you the back side, what it looks like. Your parts list are 3 backboards, 7 shelf units, an Allen key, 3 stickers, 3 anchor screws with mollies and dowels and set screws. Your parts list and how to install your shelf. With a nice large work area, you're going to take boards A, face it down on your work table, and B, as you face the brown part down and then slide over and align with some dowels into the center holes you're going to place in on all the boards over here, and the remaining 2 areas over here. With 2 set screws for each of the holes, what we're going to do is take the board and we're going to measure up, align on with the lettering facing towards down. We're going to turn over to the side, place on the bolt and start to screw down, and with the Allen key supplied. Holding the shelf and pressing in and screwing. Before tightening down, gently screw on and then tighten down securely. With another board number D, repeat till all 7 boards are on. We have here our 3 boards we're hooking up at the moment. While the unit is flat on the floor, we take a measurement of 77 inches by 9 1/4. The shelf is 9 1/4 and the hole is 9 7/8. The width of the shelf is 9 1/2. Prepare where hanging the unit by lifting, placing a level, marking the holes, move to the side, drill your holes, place in the mollies, back to the wall, place in and screw down. With the white stickers, place over each of the hole and cover. When all done, decorate. These are some of the ideas that you can use the floating shelf unit on the wall. You could put books, objects of your choice in sculptures, bookcases, taxidermy heads of an alligator, and sculptures of a crow. Put flowers, plants, ornaments, and more on the unit. I hope you enjoy the shelving units, 7 tiers floating off the floor for a kid's room, living room, entertainment room, garage, indoor, house furniture. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.